The Agile system from TAGARNO provides me with one easily updated and customized digital microscope to use in a variety of processes, since it is easily updated with new features when I need it. By providing optical zoom and high frame rates, my TAGARNO is a high-quality digital microscope which provides me with a live image displayed in ultra-clear Full HD image quality. The microscope can easily capture images in magnificent Full HD quality to your computer or directly to the microscope, creating quick ways of documenting my work to colleagues and business partners. This TAGARNO is a cost-efficient, simple and intuitive alternative to complex solutions. The focus stacking feature is giving me an all-sharp image without blurred and out-of-focus areas of the image by stacking images with different focuses on top of each other. The on-screen ruler functionality enables me to do accurate measurements on magnified objects and afterwards save the image for documentation. With this microscope, I am able to quickly magnify objects up to 82 times. The digital revolution has added new life to the traditional optical microscopes. The ease of use of the TAGARNO is one of the most important benefits. It is just plug and play. Via a single snapshot, you're able to create easily shareable, high-quality documentation through high-definition images produced by high-resolution cameras displayed on high-definition monitors and computers. With standalone or computer-connected digital microscopes, TAGARNO paves the way for considerably improved communication by enabling you to document, share and explain your work and results to co-workers, as well as within departments, companies and supply chains.